Okay, as you see, I'm grounded to the chassis again with my wristbands. I want to start everything out. I'm going to take out the processor. I'm going to set this aside so you guys can see what I'm doing. Hold on a second. Open the processor box. Okay. Save all your paperwork for the processor because you won't always have all this stuff. Now, the processor is going to come in a couple different parts. It's going to have the processor itself, which is the most delicate part, which is this here. This is your CPU, Central Processing Unit, which is your processor. As you can see here. Now, what's important to do with these is don't bend those pins down there. See those pins? There's a lot of them. They're gold pins. Don't bend them. Then you have your second thing, which is very important to your processor. Very, very important, is your heat sink. This is your heat sink. Heat sinks will have the fan attached to it. A lot of times the fans will come right off with the screwdriver or clips. But you see this here? This is going to keep this clean until you get it attached, because it's going to sit right on top of your processor, because these little fins are your heat sink. This is disperse the cool air through there, keeping the CPU cool when it's running, because those suckers get hot, man. And it gets so hot that you'll burn yourself if you touch it. So, but it's important that it connects good with, because there's a white lithium grease on here that's going to keep it connected to the processor, like kind of like a glue, but it's also heat for high temperature. So it's very important. Okay, so we're going to do that right now.